Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, your guests laughing under the sun, drinks in hand, but the ice runs out. The vibe dips as you scramble to the store. Sound familiar? This Zafro Countertop Ice Maker is here to save the day, delivering 9 perfectly shaped bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26.5 pounds of ice daily. This sleek, green, portable ice machine is a game-changer for home, parties, RV camping, or any occasion demanding chilled perfection. Curious how it transforms your hosting game? Let's dive into why this compact powerhouse is a must-have for every ice lover. Why the Zafro Countertop Ice Maker stands out. The Zafro Countertop Ice Maker isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed for convenience, speed, and versatility, it tackles the pain points of running out of ice or dealing with bulky, noisy machines. Whether you're cooling drinks for a family dinner, prepping smoothies for a morning rush, or setting up a bar for a lively party, this ice maker delivers. Its self-cleaning feature, quiet operation, and dual ice sizes make it a top contender in the countertop ice maker market. Plus, its portability means you can take the party anywhere, kitchen, patio, or RV campsite, solving your ice woes. No one wants to wrestle with ice trays or make emergency ice runs mid-party. The Zafro Countertop Ice Maker solves these problems with lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, perfect for instant refreshment. High daily output. Churns out 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, ensuring you never run dry, even during large gatherings. Hassle-free maintenance. A self-cleaning function saves time and keeps ice fresh and hygienic. Customizable convenience. Offers small, S, cubes for quick-chilling water bottles or large, L, cubes for slow-melting cocktails. Portable design. Lightweight at 13.89 pounds with double handles. One on the machine, one on the ice basket, for easy transport. Key features that make it a game-changer. Rapid ice production. With a powerful compressor, it delivers 9 bullet ice cubes in 6 minutes. Ideal for spontaneous gatherings or daily use. No more waiting hours for ice trays to freeze. High capacity for any occasion. Produces 26.5 pounds of ice daily, perfect for home use, parties, or RV camping. It holds up to 1.3 pounds of ice at a time so your drinks stay frosty. Dual ice sizes. Choose small cubes for quick cooling in water bottles or protein shakes, or large cubes for long-lasting chill in cocktails or coolers. Self-cleaning ease. Press and hold the on-off button for 5 seconds to activate the 30-minute self-cleaning cycle, ensuring fresh, clean ice with minimal effort. Quiet operation. Operates at less than 45 dB, quieter than a working freezer, so it won't disrupt conversations or your peaceful home environment. Portable and compact. Measuring 11.57 by 8.74 by 11.42 inches and weighing just 13.89 pounds. It's easy to move with sturdy double handles, making it ideal for kitchens, RVs, or outdoor events. User-friendly design. Features a transparent lid for monitoring ice production, an intuitive control panel, and indicator lights for water levels and full baskets. Benefits that elevate your experience. Endless ice supply. Never run out of ice again. Whether you're hosting a crowd or enjoying a quiet night in, the 26.5 pounds daily output keeps up with demand. Versatile ice options. Small or large bullet cubes cater to any drink, from iced coffee to whiskey on the rocks, enhancing every sip. Stress-free maintenance. The self-cleaning function saves time, while the included ice scoop and basket makes serving a breeze. Who's it for? The Zafro Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for home entertainers. Ideal for anyone hosting parties, barbecues, or family dinners who needs a steady ice supply. RV campers and travelers. Its lightweight, portable design with double handles makes it a must for road trips or campsite chilling. Health-conscious individuals. Great for smoothie lovers or fitness buffs needing small ice cubes for protein shakes or water bottles. Small space dwellers. Fits seamlessly in tiny kitchens, dorms, or offices without sacrificing counter space. Cocktail aficionados. Large ice cubes melt slowly, keeping premium drinks chilled without diluting flavors. Real-world performance. What users say. Users rave about the Zafro's speed and ease of use, noting it's a lifesaver for parties and daily hydration. One customer shared, "It's fast, quiet, and the ice is perfect for my water bottles. I love not buying ice anymore." However, some mention the ice melts quickly if not transferred to a freezer, as the bin isn't insulated. For best results, use cold water for larger, slower melting cubes and store excess ice in freezer bags. The machine's noise level, at under 45 dB, is quieter than many competitors, making it ideal for home or office use. Final verdict. Is it worth it? The Zafro Countertop Ice Maker is a no-brainer for anyone tired of ice shortages or clunky machines. Its rapid 6-minute ice production, 26.5 pounds daily capacity, and self-cleaning ease make it a top contender for home, party, or RV use. The quiet operation and portable design with double handles seal the deal for convenience lovers. While the non-insulated bin means you'll need to store excess ice, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. Ready to elevate your chilling game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.